Okay, in my last video, I mentioned that I believe that USDJPY is about to go on a bullish run. I start my analysis from the monthly time frame, and we can see from the monthly time frame that overall USDJPY is bullish. Let me just pull out the trend line. Yeah, we can see that this is an overall uptrend. But I just like to note something, that the market doesn't just go in a straight line. It's going to retrace, continue in its original direction, retrace and continue in its original direction. But overall, you'll be able to see what direction the market is headed. And I'm not trying to say that we cannot trade the retracement. We definitely can. We can. But there's something about trading. There are two rules in trading. Make sure you're not selling into a demand zone. And the second thing is, make sure you're not buying into a supply zone. Let me explain what I mean. The market sold at this point, and it sold here. It sold the second one, sold here. It will not be wise for you to keep selling, knowing that the demand zone is very, very, very near. Imagine, in fact, it has already reached demand zone, like it has gotten to the demand zone. So it will not be wise for you to keep selling the market. So I went to the daily time frame to refine my entry. What I'm trying to explain happened last week, and I'm just doing the video today on Friday. It happened last week. So last week I was like, oh, the market is yet to break this last low, this low. The market had not broken this low. I was like, oh, that means there's some demand, there's some buying, there's some buyers in the market, and it actually gave me the confidence to refine my entry on the 15-minute time frame and try and go for a long buy, which I did. I placed the buy limit at 140 point something. I will include a screenshot and all of that. But I came back again to look at the market, because I was like, wait, there are two scenarios. Is either it continues selling, it continues to buy. And I don't want to be caught in the market really early, because that's when we have the stop ons and people trying to clear up the stop loss. So I came back to say, okay, why do I actually think it is going to buy right now? Then I checked what I saw before. I said, okay, yes, fine. The market has not formed a lower low. What else am I supposed to see aside from that? Then I realized that aside from the fact that the market had not formed a lower low at that time, a confirmation for the bullish one would be that the market should break the last high, which was this high. Do you understand? So the market had to break that high. This is when the market breaks that high, that is when I can confidently say that, oh, yes, I'm sure, right? We are bullish now. We're bullish now. That's like the bullish confirmation. At that time, I was just relying on the fact that, oh, we are in a demand zone and the market had not broken, was unable to create a lower low. So immediately I went to delete my order. But by the time I got to my MT4, I found out that the market had already triggered my entry. And thankfully, it was still in profit at the time, because it just triggered. It was like 86 cents, and I immediately closed it, because being on that trade, with taking that risk, won't be wise. Because as a trader, you should always stick to your trade plan. And what I mean is that you should only enter trades when all your criteria have been met. There's nothing like it. You should not engage in things like maybe a lucky trade. That's like gambling. So that's why I just maybe closed that trade and went ahead, and I was just thankful that it was still in profit at the time. So I left it. I was like, okay, when the market is ready, it's going to do its thing. And now coming to USDJPY today, the market actually it broke that low, broke this low that I was looking at, broke the low, and now, and it created a new high and created a new low. Now I'm waiting for the market to break this high, and not just this high, also break this one. So we know that yes, the trend has changed, market has changed. Now I can now place my buy limit without stress and without worry.